Leave the game now. Leave the game. Leave. No, just leave the game. Leave the game. Why are we gonna put it on? Just make him shoot so you can show that it's not on the radar, and I'm leaving the game. I'm recording this. I have my phone up. Look, watch. He's gonna shoot. Here, shoot at me, buddy. Look, nothing shows up on the radar. Right there. Boom, boom. Kids are cheating the radar glitch. Right there. I'm leaving the game. And I'm going right into the rules. I'm quitting. Yeah, they don't show up. Yeah, bro, they're cheating, dude. They were hosts. And I'm going to go to my rules. And it's going to say radar always on, constant watch. Yeah, I know. Mini map constant right there. Boom, boom. GG. Cheating bitches.